A lot of people think you need to have money to make money. And while that certainly helps, nothing is stopping you from generating a healthy passive income that can supplement your day job or even replace it altogether. So what is passive income? At its core, it's doing something now which can then passively make you money in the background while you sleep, literally. Compare this to active income, where you exchange your time and labor for money and then the transaction is over. For passive income to work, you may have to invest as little as 10 minutes or as much as a year of what feels like unpaid work. Eventually, however, you will have that work repeatedly repaid for months or years, creating a stable passive income stream. Today, I am going to show you 8 ways to make money while you sleep. Before the video begins, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. 1. Webinars. Webinars are a great way to make money while you sleep. Not live ones, of course, but automated webinars. Automated webinars run day and night. To create one, you need something to offer. Webinars are great for high-ticket digital product sales. They also work well for selling things like coaching and consulting services. But to fully automate your income, it's best to sell a digital product. How much can you sell items for on a webinar? Benny tells me that the sweet spot is the $997 price point, but that $1,997 works as well. Jason Fladlien says that this depends on how warmed up the audience is. If they know you already and they've been warmed up to you or your offer, then you'll have an easier time selling at $1,997 and even higher, all the way up to $10,000 and beyond. 2. Ebooks. Find a niche market and write a great ebook. The sweet spot here is 60 to 80 pages long of gold nugget-filled content. While you could easily sell this on a platform like Amazon's Kindle, you'll fare better by selling it through your own channels, like a blog or as an offer after a lead magnet. Ultimately, you'll make more money that way. However, if you're not a seasoned online marketer, going the Kindle route is a far simpler approach to selling your ebook. The threshold is low, and you won't have to do all the marketing of the book on your own. Amazon will simply pay you out monthly for the sales. 3. Dropshipping. E-commerce is exploding. It's not just Amazon that's taking the entire pie here. People are snatching up product offers all over the place. The best part? Most of this is being done as a dropshipping arrangement. That means that as the store owner, you never actually have to touch the products. It's warehoused, labeled, and shipped in your name. You incur none of the overhead. You simply push the order through when it arrives, pay the fee, and it's shipped. Dropshipping, when automated the right way, gives you the freedoms that you wouldn't normally experience while running a physical product store or having a brick-and-mortar location. You can build your own e-commerce store with Shopify, or you can buy products from AliExpress and sell them as an Amazon FBA store, or find another dropshipping company willing to handle the work. Open up your own Shopify store and create your own business selling other people's products. Dropshipping allows you to sell merchandise without the costs and hassle involved in warehousing and supply chain management. 4. Online courses. Online courses are a great way to earn income, day or night, and require little to no maintenance once they're launched aside from updating content that might get stale or become no longer relevant. There are tons of places you can build online courses, such as Kajabi, Udemy, or Teachable. You could also build your own membership-based courses on sites like ClickFunnels. What type of courses can you launch? You can teach just about anything, but you should stick to what you know. If you know photography, teach it. Coding? Teach it. SEO? Teach it. Social media marketing like Benny? Then dive right in. If you absolutely don't know what you're talking about, it's going to come across and your sales will suffer because of it. 5. Blogging. Why not start a blog? It's probably one of the most reliable sources for making money on autopilot. While creating a popular blog is arduous work, the benefits are long-lasting, along with the potential for passive income. When you run a popular blog, you can make money in a variety of ways, most of which are passive. You could sell virtually anything in your niche on autopilot. Find something that fits your blog's audience and sell it. Or if you are really looking to reap the benefits, build content or digital products that fits the same audience and sell it directly through your own systems or sales funnels. Grow the blog over time by consistently creating valuable content that really helps your audience with a problem or fills a need. Perhaps the most popular way to earn a passive income is by launching your own blog. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up and is cheap to start. Just purchase your domain name and pay for hosting. After that, start creating amazing content that people would be interested in reading or sharing. For example, if you're an accountant that has helped small business owners with their taxes, then that could be your blog. I personally have my invoicing blog to help customers know everything there is to know about invoicing. This draws thousands of signups a month. Make sure the topics you write about are popular. If you still love your pet rock, I doubt there would be enough people visiting your site to monetize it. But you never know. 6. Traditional real estate rentals. While traditional real estate is more cost-prohibitive to enter than digital products, real estate rentals are always going to be a great producer of passive income. People will always need a place to live and to work. With long-term rentals, you can secure the tenant, then sit back and collect the cash every single month. While there might be a small amount of maintenance due to repairs, the income will largely be passive. You can make it fully passive by hiring a property manager as long as there's enough positive cash flow. You could also opt for purchasing a duplex and renting out the second unit of your home if money is tight. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. There are loads of peer-to-peer lending networks that will help you achieve your dreams of automating some of your income. Depending on the amount you have to invest, you could reap a sizable return. Websites like Prosper, Zopa, and Lending Club will help you invest your money while minimizing your risk with baked-in algorithms that help you identify the best investments. Clearly, the more risk, the more potential for reward. These lending platforms offer a great way to put either a little bit of money or a lot of it at play and earn while you sleep. 8. Affiliate marketing. In the world of online marketing, affiliate marketing offers one of the fastest and most profitable forms of income with very little investment of time. Of course, you can't really become an affiliate marketer without reach or an audience to promote to. If you already have an email list, then this works great. If you don't, you could opt to do Facebook Live trainings or use YouTube as a platform to reach people. Affiliate marketing is about delivering value. You have to find a way you can educate and inform while helping those out there with their goals or to solve a problem. If you can do that effectively, you can build multiple passive income streams as an affiliate marketer. Check out platforms like ClickBank and CJ.com to find affiliate offers you can promote. Many people want to sell you the dream with blogging or creating content with affiliate marketing. I'm telling you right now, affiliate marketing takes work and time. But down the road, it can easily earn you money while you sleep. If you are new to it, affiliate marketing simply means you are placing a tracked link to a product or service that when someone clicks and takes some action, you get paid a particular commission. These commissions will vary based on company, but some can be a few bucks up to a few $100s. And as you build a strategy and viewership, affiliate marketing can earn you big bucks, 24 hours a day. Affiliate marketing is a big business too. Many sites earn thousands and even millions of dollars a year. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. After saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.